is our X. We want to put our handle on the base. We can do a number of things. We might do a few creates. So we're going to go construct a plane on the end here, up about 4 millimeters, which is good. And then we can do a sketch on here. Open the center about that much bigger, which is good. Finish sketch, and we can create that along. We want to join that. Okay, and we can go into the modify, put a radius on the two ends of the bottom. That looks good. Okay. If you want to get fancy, you do some grippy things on there. In which case you go construct offset plane and bring that to the center point there, which I think that is correct. Oh yes, there it is. It's in the center. Okay, and do a sketch on that. Click that plane. Yes, move down to our thing, and we'll do a couple of circles. And we need to draw a line in the center for our revolve. Stop sketch, create, revolve, and select our axis. And we want to cut, yes, okay. And there's our grips. Not quite happy, we can put a fillet there, there, and there, just 0.6. That's right. This one, just see what's going on here. Oh, yes, I think it's going to give some error. So cancel. Let's try one at a time. Fillet. Might be best just to leave that as it is. We'll put a fillet on the end there. Oh no, we won't. We'll go finish. We'll go construct offset plane to the middle. Okay. Now we want to do another sketch on that plane. We want to do it on the tail end. Small circle. That's good. Stop sketch. And we want to go create. And we want to go extrude. And we want to do symmetrical. Let's go to the home feature like that. And there we go. We don't cut a love join it. Okay. We've learned about our radiuses, modify, fillet I mean. Two, just a small one. That's good. We might just do one there. I don't know what. Oh yes, that's fine. Turn off our origin, turn off our sketches, turn off our construction lines, and go back to our display settings. We will have shaded. There's our X. Once again, if you want to 3D print that, simply go to Make, 3D Print, select it, OK, and save it somewhere on your computer. Thank you.